Lightning! Lightning, look! German destroyer! Moving to the north!
I still got ammo. How about you?
Nah, you need about a 500-pound bomb to put a dent in that thing. That baby got very, very big guns.
Just watch me.
Lightning, no, all right? Don't be crazy. If the big guns don't kill you, your plane gonna get messed up and coffee gonna kill you.
Relax, Smokey. Worrying too much will kill you. On the flugzeug!
All right, that was fun. Okay, come on now, time to go home.
Just one more pass.